This is Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food, and I'm here today to show you my fabulous Romaine Burritos. I have been a vegan and raw food health coach now since 1998 and director of the Vegan Coach certification. And today I'm going to show you my Romaine Burritos. They were a huge hit at the NHA conference, the National Health Association conference. And so here are the ingredients. I have 1 cup of walnuts that were soaked in water overnight, drained and rinsed. I have 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. I have a medium-sized lime, which I'm going to juice. I have a 1/4 cup, a packed 1/4 cup of soaked sun-dried tomatoes. I have paprika and cumin. You want to make sure to get them organic. A beautiful locally grown spring onion, or sort of between a spring onion and a green onion, scallion. Romaine lettuce leaves as the tortilla. Beautiful locally grown romaine lettuce. Very simple, easy to put together recipe that will get you rave reviews. First step, the walnuts. All you need is 1 machine, a food processor. I'm going to put in my walnuts. That's a whole cup. And I am going to process the walnuts all alone by themselves. The reason I process the walnuts first is because I want them ground down. If you want them chunky, you could process them with the other ingredients, but I prefer it more of a smooth mixture. I am going to take my lime. I'm going to take a juicer, a lemon juicer. I'm going to put 1/2 of the lime into the juicer, and I am going to squeeze the lime juice right into the food processor. And I'm going to do the same with the other 1/2 of the lime. I'm going to take my fresh cilantro, and I'm going to take this whole bunch, a little over a 1/4 cup, and take a teaspoon. You can just estimate if you like, but I find that a teaspoon is exactly what I like. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of cumin. If you can see right now, I just have the walnuts, the cilantro, the cumin, and the paprika in the food processor. And next step is I'm going to take my delicious sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 packed, 1/4 cup packed. And these sun-dried tomatoes that have been soaked for a couple of hours are extremely low in salt, and there is no oil. So you want oil-free sun-dried tomatoes. You do not want them soaked in oil. So oil-free and organic, because if the sun-dried tomatoes are not organic, they will contain sulfites. You do not want sulfites in your sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to pour in a little bit of my sun-dried tomato water. And last step, I'm going to take my green onion. I'm just going to break it apart, add it to the mixture. And I'm going to put on the top of the food processor. I'm going to ground it down to a texture that I enjoy. As I said, if you want it more chunky, you will just pulse it. Now I'm going to open it up. Perfect. Nicely ground down taco meat, walnut taco meat. Love that. Next step is I am going to fill these romaine lettuce leaves with the taco meat. So I am just going to spread it out. You can also add toppings. Sometimes if I'm having a get-together, I'll have guacamole on the table. That could be a topping. I'm filling all of these romaine lettuce tortillas with delicious walnut taco meat. There's so many things that you can do to make your romaine burritos look even more extravagant. Here is my wonderful platter of romaine burritos, which are loved at the NHA conference. And here, what some of the top vegan visibility people at the conference have to say about my romaine burritos. Here they are, presented at the conference.
Here we have the biggest vegan business and marketing people in the industry. Velyn Hawkins and Kathleen Gage.
Hello.
And vegan publisher Mitali.
Hello.
And I made the romaine burritos today for lunch at the NHA conference. What did you think?
Honestly, I don't want to be horrible about everybody else's recipe. It was lovely, but yours was the best on the plate.
The best.
Without a doubt,
Without
the
doubt,
best.
the best.
My mouth was just happy and it was going, yay, yay, yay. Wonderful, wonderful. Try the recipe.
Well, I have to tell you that I ate a few things, I tasted a few things before I got to yours, but when I got to yours, it was like, oh no, this is it. This is the best so far, and by all means, I need this recipe. I'm trying this one.
Yes, it's a good one. It's a good one. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
If you are excited about the vegan and raw food movement, and you are interested in becoming a health coach and making an income doing what you love as a vegan and raw food coach, then you will want to grab your free guide on the 8 must-knows to become a vegan and raw food health coach by going below in the description and clicking on the link. And I'll see you on the next video.